What's up, YouTube? Working on a 2025 Ram 5500. Got a bunch of codes here for random misfire 4. That's a hard miss on number 4. And then crankcase filter restriction P1507. Codes again right there on this 5500. Went ahead and removed the cylinder head cover. Get off right here. Got my injectors off. In the truck here, ended up finding a broken rocker arm and the push rod just sticking out on number 4. That's why she's blowing white smoke. Misfiring cylinder number 4. One of the other rocker arms look okay. So if you have any misfires, make sure to take off your cylinder head cover and inspect the rocker arms. Make sure none of them are broken. Can't figure it out. The coolant was good on this one, and fuel wasn't contaminated or anything like that. So that's what we ended up finding, guys. Keep you guys posted. Have a good day.